Hello and welcome back. So the last two things to cover up is that first there is a miscellaneous markdown file, and if we go to the GitHub repo and you drill down into that miscellaneous markdown file, you'll see that it covers several of the things that I've touched upon, but in this lecture series I can't really go into any sort of detail about these subjects. This just gives me a place to quickly jot down some notes so that way if you want to learn a little more about something you can, and you can search for these things and find out even more. I particularly recommend the Mozilla Developer Network, which has tons of information about how JavaScript works and goes into great depth into many of these subjects. If you go to chapter 1 test.html, you'll see a quick test where if you don't fill anything out, it'll tell you to fill it out. And then if you do fill it out and then test your names, you can see that here I got things wrong and it'll give me an error message. And if I get things correct, it'll give me the correct answer here. So if you are very interested in how this works, there is a test.js file. This is actually the code that executes. This deals a lot with DOM manipulation in jQuery, so don't worry about it too much if you don't understand it, but this gives you sort of a better look at how you're going to see JavaScript used in the wild. If you go to testrunner.js, this will really test whether or not you understand the code. Try to write the test inside of Jasmine that would either pass or fail from what you know. If you're able to successfully prove why this code works, and of course you can just use the console and then type in the answers, but if you can prove why this works, then that shows that you really have a deep understanding of it. Don't worry about it too much right now if you don't understand everything, because there's still a lot to cover for an introductory course. So I'll see you in the next lecture.